We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a leading production technologist. 6 months ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market, our company planned to expand production and increase the production of tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases. According to the production technology, tablets should be further packed in a blister, which preserves the tablets from the powder from the environment. This task required the purchase of new, state-of-the-art equipment with a capacity of 200,000 tablets per hour and a tablet diameter of 15 millimeters. A tablet press is used for the automatic production of tablets by pressing in molds of tablet mass. The choice of the tablet press was entrusted to me. I chose by location, delivery time, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen tablet press, and would send me to search again. I then looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist, in whom I would be confident, who would deliver me a tablet press within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the tablet press, sent me a video by email, and an instruction manual, where I could study everything in peace. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of the tablet press. Before shipping the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine. The equipment is made of thick stainless steel, and the working area is covered with transparent plastic shields. Once formed, the tablets are fed through a special metal tray to be cleaned and polished. The tablet press came in 2 months. We quickly set up and started production of tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases, and provided the company with products for delivery to the Baltic countries. I was able to go quietly into the business that required more of my attention. I would like to mention that I told the manager about my problem and desired delivery date. He advised me of a good adjuster and repairman we are already working with, and are happy with the results. After talking with a real professional, I became a bit smarter myself and learned a lot. I am absolutely sure that a good teacher is a teacher whose words and deeds do not differ. I checked this on my own experience.